Good afternoon, class. We are going to review our words we learned earlier today. Since none of them are too tricky and they're all one syllable, we'll just find some different places in our notebook to put them. Before we open to a page, class, can you tell me what our vowels are? In English, what are our vowels? All right, if you don't know, well, I'll make sure we review them every day until you do know. And you too, make sure you're paying attention when we review our vowels because it's really important for us to know that. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Class, say that with me. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. All right, let's start on page 3. Now, some of you may already have words written in like I do. Some of us just got our notebooks recently. I'm not sure, so I'm going to tell us places we can put our words in our notebook. If we already have a word put there, then we'll just do it on our practice paper. All right, so page 3. You can use this to study your vowels if you don't know them yet. So most of our letters are consonants. We only have 6 vowels. This one is special because it can be a consonant or a vowel, depending on the word it's in. All right, so if you don't have your vowels written in, go ahead and write A, E, I, then Y. We always put I and Y together in our notebook. Class, why do we do that? It's because they make the same vowel sounds. They have the same 3 vowel sounds, so when we can't use this one, because it's at the end of a word, we use this one instead. All right, so A, E, I, then Y, O, and U. All right, the first, let's see, if you don't have a word written in for the first sound of our E, go ahead and write west right here. I already have a word written in, so I'm going to do it on my practice paper instead. See if there's anything to mark. There's not. So our word is just like this. Our vowel is saying its first sound because it's, what kind of a syllable is this? Good, a closed syllable. In closed syllables, our vowels usually say their first sound. All right, let's see, we also can write the word sun in here. Which vowel do we use in sun? Good, it's this one. We could say U, or we could say all the sounds, U, U, U. Which of its sounds is this vowel saying in the word sun? Good, it's saying its first sound. So if you don't have a word written in here, like I do, go ahead and write sun here. If you're like me and you have a word there, use your practice paper. Say the sounds till you write them. All right, is there anything to mark? No, class, what kind of syllable is this? Good, a closed syllable. Excellent. There's one other word that we learned today that we can put in this section. Let's see, in the word move, which oo did we use? We used o, oo. And which of the sounds of this is oo? First, second, or third? Let's see, let's say them. O, oo. It's its third sound. So if you don't have a word written in right here, we can write move there. So go ahead and write move. I hope you remember the special thing that we need at the end. I want to see if you can remember without me telling you. All right, so if you didn't put the silent final E on at the beginning, I hope when you wrote it, you said, wait a minute, English words don't end with V. And then you added a silent final E. This one's job 2. Remember V or U, think job 2. All right. Let's see, next we're going to we'll go to page 4. All right, so on the top of page 4, remember we have pairs of phonograms that make the same vowel sound, right? So these ones, what sound do they make? Good, A. How about these ones? What sound do they make? Good, oi. How about these ones? Do you remember the two sounds these make? Good, A, E. All right, then over here we have our ahs. Oh, I need to have us add in our other one, which is our ooh, U's. And then we have this pair. These are a little bit different because they have the same sounds for the first two sounds, but then this one has has 2 more sounds, so it has 4 altogether. Class, what's this phonogram? Good, this is ow, o, ooh, So if you don't have ow, o and ow, o, ooh, written in your notebook, go ahead and write them. And if you don't have a word written for the first sound of ow, o, ooh, go ahead and write south. South. If you're like me and you have a word here, then just do it on your practice papers. Ow. All right, and let's check it. Good. All right. We'll flip our notebook over. So we're on page 5. All right, class, on page 5, what do we have? Good, we have it says multi-letter vowel patterns. So these are our phonograms that make a vowel sound. Our phonograms that are 2 or more letters that make a vowel sound. All right, if you don't, so again, some of us might have these written in. Thanks for being patient if you do. If you don't have anything written in on this 3rd line here, where we would write the phonogram, go ahead and write or. So since I have that already on, I want to practice or again, so I'll do that on my practice paper, or. And then if this space is blank, go ahead and write north. North. If it's not, do it on your practice paper. All right. And let's see, there's only one space on this page where we have 3 spaces because the phonogram has 3 sounds. So under or, count down 1, 2, 3. The 4th line below or, make sure it has spaces for 3 words. All right, if you don't have anything written there, go ahead and write E-A. I'm going to practice it on my practice paper since I already have E-A there, E-A. All right, and for the first sound, if you don't have anything written, write east. East. I'm going to write east on my practice paper since I have ear there already. All right, check in, make sure it looks like mine. All right, nice job, class. Again, these words, none of them are too complicated, so we've reviewed all 6 of the words that we did today. I'll see you in our next video.